Hi there, I'm David Weegenaar. This is the 8th of December 2017. This is the game I played StockFish-06 in the other day via my friend Sam. So here's this game. You be the judge. I will just annotate here and there, hopefully not too much. Okay, so here we go. I am black. It's 5-minute chess. So 5 minute. Okay, here we go. This system as black is from Grandmaster Niklik, and this is the system I beat an international master from New Zealand in a match game 2007, I believe. That's quite a good move, d4 by the way. So it's getting a bit crazy here, isn't it? Let's face it. So I've lost just about all my troops. So this is a sort of a move that might not be sort of like, especially this move here, Queen A6. Stockfish would probably, without putting the machines on, value this better for white. So here comes David. Now this is sort of kinda in white's face really, because I'm just threatening bishop takes. Am I threatening that? No, I'm not. I'm threatening rook here or something to that effect, with the idea of bishop takes knight also, or whatever, or bishop e5, knight b5, a move that's sad for white. Maybe the computer just had a wee hissy fit. Rook g8, knight c7, rook g3, dun dun dun, dun dun dun. It's all over now. And there, I won from here. Okay, so there's this game. And I will place the other games that I drew with Houdini and Cosmodo, or whatever it's called, drew with them and beat StockFish-06 as here shown. Hope you enjoyed that.